Y'all see this hole right here? Look how deep this is. Y'all see that? What's up, y'all? Dominoes Seven here. Wearing my face mask right here. Okay. You know, that hole been there. This hole been there for quite a while. Well, I don't know how big it's gonna get, but this a whole sinkhole right there. I don't know what's gonna happen. Seem like it's gonna turn into a sinkhole unless the city do something about it. You know. And you know something? That could cause accidents, you know? Look at it. Y'all see that? It might turn that into a bottomless pit or something. Who knows? You know? I mean, that's a serious problem right there. With that hole being right there, you know? Well, I might as well go my behind at my house. Okay? All right.